To do a simple interrupted suture, it's very simple. I'm just going to use this practice kit that I have that I got off of Amazon just to keep yourself busy and practice. So as you see over here, I did one already, but it comes with all the supplies you need. So here's a suture. Grab it with your needle holding plier. You have a tissue retractor. Then you go into the tissue. And then as you go in, you want to rotate it up so it doesn't go too far out. Then you grab it from the other side and guide the needle out. Remember, if this was a patient, you never really want to use your hands because they will be contaminated. You will be using your glove, plus you don't want to prick yourself with the needle. So this is where the most important step is. You want to leave a little bit on the outside, on the other side. Now, to do the simple interrupted suture, you want to wrap around twice around your plier, then grab the other end, and then pull through. And then cross them and go tight so that you close the wound. Now you do the same from the other side. Wrap around twice, leave it a little loose so it goes through. Grab the end, pull through, and then one more time you go clockwise, reverse, and this locks it in. And then cut off the excess. And then depending on how big the wound is, you might need more than one. Obviously, this case will be needing more than one. But as you see, right in the middle, it's closed. So I'd put another 2 on each side to keep this wound perfectly closed. And that's how you do a simple interrupted suture.